Trigonometry in Real Life by Sofia Gutierrez. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between side lengths and angles of triangles. You may be wondering where the word comes from, and it goes back to the 16th century, the Latin derivative from the Greek words from triangle and measure. You may know this as SOHCAHTOA. So stands for sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Ka stands for cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. And lastly, toa, which stands for tangent, opposite over adjacent. In the following clips, I'm going to use 3 examples of how SOHCAHTOA work. So first of all, I thought it was more important for me to explain how the adjacent, the hypotenuse, and the opposites are found before jumping to examples. So first of all, the one that always was the hardest for me personally was the adjacent, which is the side that is next to the given angle. Next, we have the opposite, which is the easiest one in my opinion, which is just the opposite side of the point you're given. And the next one we have hypotenuse, which is the largest side, the longest one. So here we're asked to find sine A. So first we need to locate A. In this case it's circled. And remember, sine stands for so opposite over hypotenuse. Locating A, the opposite is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. So that's our sine. Next, we need to find cosine of A, which is a little different in this case from sine. So cosine stands for ka, so adjacent over hypotenuse. So our adjacent in this example is 8 and our hypotenuse is 17. So our cosine would be 8 over 17 equals 0.47. So last but not least, we need to find the tangent of point A. Point A being circled in red, so the opposite would be 15 and the adjacent 8, giving us an answer of 1.875. How is this applied in real life? Trigonometry is used in architecture to ensure that buildings are built safely. For example, architects have to calculate exact angles of intersection for components of the structure to ensure stability and safety. Not only does trigonometry play a crucial role in architecture, but so does geometry and algebra. Architects apply math forms to plan their blueprints and initial sketch designs. Also, trigonometry can be used to form a roof of the building, to make the roof inclined, and more. It is used in naval and aviation industries, and it is used in cartography, the creation of maps. And also, it has its applications in satellite systems. Seattle Tower in Seattle, Washington. Next we have the Colosseum in Rome, Italy. And then we have the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. When starting to plan my project, I was debating on what topic to choose. But I decided to go for trigonometry because of the fact that I want to pursue architecture as a career. So me being a senior, thought it was a great idea for me to explain and make this video to explain to you guys how trigonometry is used in architecture.